We've always strived to make people's lives better, harnessing cutting-edge science, working with our customers, fusing passion with expertise. We've already transformed millions of lives, and we'll transform millions more. Because what we do goes way beyond just a smile. Improved oral health increases self-confidence, restores people's self-esteem, unlocks their life potential, lets them shine like we all deserve to. It's made us hugely successful, a global market leader in aesthetic dentistry. But we never take success for granted. The world around us is changing faster than ever, leading our market to be disrupted in many ways. New challenges and opportunities are surfacing as billions of people need better oral care beyond missing or misaligned teeth. At Straumann, we're perfectly placed to grow. But we also know that what got us here won't get us there. It's crystal clear. It's time for the next evolution. Time to push the boundaries. These are the challenges we're facing. Patients have higher expectations than ever. They expect faster and more aesthetically appealing treatments. Technology supports new digital workflow and increases clinicians' expectation of frictionless customer experience. The business environment is transforming too. Bold new players are entering the game. New business models are emerging. These forces are reshaping our market. Changes are happening right now. It's time for us all to step up and meet the challenge. Here's how. We'll further develop where we are strongest, growing our core markets of implantology and orthodontics, while embracing the changing environment by creating the new and addressing new stakeholders such as health consumers, reaching new customers through new business models, building powerful new relationships, becoming more digital, developing brilliant new products and solutions, and crucially, we'll leverage our most valued asset, our high-performance, player-learner culture, guided by our beliefs with customer obsession at the heart. Today, we stand together to face an exciting future. This is us, the Straumann Group. Our purpose is to unlock the potential of people's lives. We envision a world where oral health is a source of confidence by being the most customer-focused and innovative oral care company in the world.